Right, tricky job. Inside the smoke box, you have to glue 3 nuts. Turn it more towards the light. And inside the firebox, which has much better access, you glue 2. So to get into the smoke box, what I'm doing is I've chopped the end of a coffee stirrer a bit so it will jam into a nut. There's a blob of super glue on this bit of plastic bag. And here's another stick which is an applicator, so I can pick up my super glue, deposit it where I want, and then hopefully position the nut. See how it goes, but it's a tricky one. I've got some nice bent nose pliers which might do the job. You could get tweezers. I've got some tweezers somewhere else which have got a bent end on, so tweezers might be better, but this coffee stirrer might do it well enough. We'll see. Well, now we have gone from clear acetate to something more opaque. So the side frames and the foot plate have been sprayed in a matte black. So now I can go back to page 1 of the PDF assembly manual and start to put the wheels and motor in and the motion onto there. The boiler and the cab are in plastic primer grey. This was sprayed in grey plastic primer as well. And then given a coat of black. And now I can go and investigate the rattle can situation. At the moment I'm thinking of green for this sort of loco. A dark maroon. I would quite fancy a dark maroon, but I'm not sure I've got that available as a rattle can. But not red, not yellow. And so if the only one I've got is green, that will be what it is. And I think it'll be easy to spray it before that bit gets connected to that bit. Well, clearly it will. Make a nice division then of the colours. But while that is drying, if the paint needs time to dry, if I find the rattle can, then I can be putting the side frames together with the motor.